Unbelievable, guys. There is some really hard rain pouring here. Unbelievable. No. Unbelievable rain. No way. This is wow. I've never seen anything like it. What?
You need to come put a trash bag in the trash can.
Okay.
Let's put the your dishes in the sink before. You like the rain?
Yeah. Can't imagine having to walk in that.
Right. Some people do.
This is the best.
Right.
This is the best of all best.
It's raining.
Yeah, I know. It's raining hard, too. Wow. It's raining hard, too. Wow. Can't believe it. What in the heck is that? Oh my God, if that cell converges, oh my God, it's going to be living hell. I hope that cell does not converge. Okay, it's going back up. Oh, thank God. Thank God it's not reforming or back building. That's a good sign. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Keep an eye on that and see if it converges. It's not doing anything right now. Just keep filming. Oh my God, I just saw a lightning bolt. Can't imagine that. And it's headed north, I think. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll see if we're in the clear when it passes over. It looks like it's